Alright guys, we're back with another video, and for the first time in forever, my good friend Alex, also known as WWE ROCKS2423 on Instagram and YouTube, oh my goodness, on YouTube, sent me something in the mail, and I have no clue what it is. I'm not going to share my address, of course, that's why I'm blocking it, but this is his P.O. box, so if you guys want to, go send him something. He is very cool, I think. But let's just get right into this. I'm going to turn it around so you can see my address. And let's just open it like a envelope. Oh, God. I don't even know what it is. I'm nervous to open it. Oh, it's a bag. I love bags, guys. Holy moly. No way. Is this... Don't tell me, is this the... Oh, Lordy. This might be what I think it is. We were discussing it, but we never actually got it. Oh, that is sick. Oh, my goodness. So, this is the cape for my custom fantasy attire, Jeff Hardy Batman. Oh, my goodness. This is amazing. Oh, and it is perfect. The cloth is amazing. It is on there very well. It even has a hole so you can put it over the head. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, bro. Let's go. So it is finished now, the custom. I will be posting it on Instagram, so go ahead and check that out. And I hope you guys have a great day. Go subscribe to him, and I'll put his link to his YouTube and his Instagram in the bio. So go follow and subscribe. Peace out. Oh, God. Not again. Peace out, home dogs. Bye.